Hey everybody, how's it going? It's time for another trip video here. Road trip time. We're going to Tillamook Creamery in Tillamook, Oregon.
Wow.
So
not to be mistaken with another Tillamook.
No. If you didn't see the other video we did of this where we went to Bend to go visit the last Blockbuster on Earth.
You can find it right here.
Right there. Go click it. Go click the video. It's really, really cool. It's got some good film work done by Cassie here because she was filming along the way we were when we were driving down.
Professional photographer.
And then I did the rest of the videography while I was in the store. It was really, really cool to see. So if you haven't seen that, definitely check that out. We probably plan to go again at some point. But we went to Tillamook last time, in addition, and then we're going again today, and we thought we'd film it and show you guys, so take you guys with us. So what? Well, without any further ado, let's get on the road.
Woo!
Check-in. We're about 5 minutes out from the Tillamook Creamery. This latter half of this drive here has been really lovely. We've been seeing a lot of greenery, a lot of mountains, trees. We've been driving through. It's been a lot of fun, and definitely a lot of cool stuff to look at. So you didn't really get too bored, which is always nice. But yeah, we just entered the town of Tillamook here, so we'll be there quite soon. We'll see you there.
Bye.
Here we are, Tillamook Creamery. I just love the sight, that brand logo right there. And here it is. Is the ice cream parlor closed?
I think there's an indoor one as well.
Oh, okay. I remember it was open there last time.
I know, yeah.
You go all the way to the end, right? And then we kind of just loop around. That's what we did last time, right?
I think so.
Yeah, okay. So here we are at Tillamook Creamery. Right there's the factory. Right there is the truck going in, actually. And right there is the main attraction where everyone is allowed to take tours, get samples, try their cheeses, ice cream, and other products that they offer. So again, like I said, we were here last year. So I've been here once, and Cassie, you've been here a few times, right? Mm-hmm. So let's go inside and see what we can find and experience. Move. These interactive, informational little sections here in the main area here. Today we use the modern Cheddar Master, which is right over there. It's where the salter is, where the cheese is going to be salted. Does more than just add flavor. Inside the salter that's kind of the diagram what it looks like. They have really nice little visuals here in between each window. Log forming. And the blocks of cheese. Here they come. quality checkpoint. Packaged cheese.
Can you see the, I don't know what the black one is, like sharp cheddar or something?
The black one is sharper, I think. This is medium. And the reds, I don't know where the red ones are, but the red ones are sharp, I think.
Drew, look, it's the...
And that's where the box says
Yeah, the ones that you
take it. They come up here, actually.
Look, it's your job to cut the cheese. Or stir it, I guess.
This is the Blue Octopus, which is a high-speed machine that seals up to 20 packages a minute. 120 packages a minute. So, there it goes. Absolutely crazy. You've got to stay sharp to keep all that cheese on track.
That's what they're doing over here. They're unboxing those cheeses.
But when they do, it's that amazing cheese right there. What?
Just do a cheese cutter.
I know, there's the cheese cutter right there. Alright, so we just finished the tour and we got free samples here, which actually weren't available to us last time. I was here because of COVID, so this is great that I get to experience something that I didn't get to last time. So these are two samples we got here. This is medium cheddar, and this is the smoked black pepper white cheddar, I believe.
Oh.
So I'm gonna try the medium cheddar first. Mmm,
Yeah?
it tastes so fresh. Very, very good. I've had this one before. I really like their smoked cheddar.
Oh yeah, we had that earlier.
Their smoked, what is it? Is it smoked?
I think it's smoked cheddar.
Yeah, smoked cheddar.
Hickory cheddar, maybe?
Hickory smoked cheddar,
That's what it is.
And then here's the other one. It says we're gonna have a spicy finish, right? So
Does it?
it does.
Yeah.
It's good though. I like white cheddar as well. So, here, Cassie, how about you try some? All right, here's Cassie. She's gonna try the smoked cheddar because she's tried the medium cheddar before. So, what do you think?
This is good. I like it.
Wait a couple seconds, like the pepper really kicks in. So
It's not spicy to me.
it's not.
No,
I didn't think it was particularly spicy either, but I think it definitely does have a little bit of a kick to it.
It's not like spicy pepper. It's black pepper, right?
Yeah, it's black.
Pepper.
It's
Yeah.
smoked black pepper.
It's like eating a piece of like roast beef, but like not. There's no roast beef, but it has like pepper. That makes sense.
And behind us here is the gift shop, which has lots of lovely things you can get, and also real cheeses. Over there's a whole area of cheeses there you can get. And that's actually where we got the hickory smoked cheddar last time we got. So maybe we'll pick out something different and take home today, or maybe not. But you know, it's all there for yours, and there's some food over there.
Squeaky cheese, I'm gonna get some squeaky cheese.
The squeaky cheese curds?
Uh-huh.
Yes. And then there's also a very large line for some food or ice cream or something that we might check out at the end. So, cool stuff. Here we are. We just got some food because we were very hungry. We got a Tilly grilled cheese, I think is what they called it. The Tillamook grilled cheese, which looks amazing. And we also got some cheese curds with it, just to do everything cheesy.
Yes.
We just decided to get a whole cheesy meal.
And this is just one meal. We're splitting it because we're gonna get some ice cream after this.
Yes.
I'm super excited. Let's dig in. Drew, I'll film you trying it first.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
I'll try the cheese curd first. I've had cheese curds before, but never Tillamook cheese curds.
Let's try it.
Or not like these, right? We've had the dry ones.
Ooh, yeah, cheese ball. Look at that, man. That's a thumbnail face right there.
I'll figure out some way to put it in the thumbnail. Mark my words. It's very good, by the way.
Yeah. Have a Sandy. Have a bite of the Sandy. It looks so cheesy. Look at that. Look at that melted cheese. Oh.
This is really good.
Have a bite of the Sandy.
Okay. I'm gonna try from this end.
It's in the middle.
Mmm.
Good?
What kind of cheese do they have in here? Is it cheddar and there's also a white one? Like Swiss or something?
You know what, bro? It's not melted all the way. Maybe white cheddar or something?
Might be white. It's really good.
Yeah? Awesome.
Mmm.
Well, I'm gonna try some now, okay? You don't have to film me.
Of course I'm gonna film you. Alright, enough funny footage of me chowing down. Now it's time to get the Cassie's turn.
I think there's some cheese in this ranch. I'm a big ranch girl, so we'll start with the curds. Really good. There's some good cheese curds.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Let me.
Oh. There you go. There you go.
Here we go. It's good.
It is very, very good.
I like the bread.
The bread's really nice too.
I don't know if that's like a
one of the best grilled cheeses, you'd say. I don't know. It's kind of hard to judge grilled cheeses sometimes.
It is, but it's very good. Let's try it.
All right, we're gonna finish our food and then we'll get some ice cream. Here we are. We got our ice creams. I got the chocolate chip cookie dough, and Cassie got the
Mint chocolate chip.
mint chocolate chip. We all both got single scoops, and we're gonna have a good time here. So clink. There we go. And and yeah, here's to a great visit, a great road trip down to Tillamook. All right, this is after the intro because we came here afterwards, but we stopped and we bought some $1 feed to feed
Very
the goats.
slimy.
There's a pig laying down over there. You got these guys. Hello. Oh, hello.
You're
Got some chickens and some roosters in the back. Some goats. Some llamas out in the distance. We tried to get them earlier, but they didn't come over to us. We've got some of these.
Like pig.
Hello. Very cute.
You're like that bird.
Whoa.
He's so slimy. We don't have napkins.
Oh yeah, we don't have napkins, yeah. It's alright. We'll get... Look at that bird's hair.
Here.
What?
You,
Here, you want
I'll
to take a turn?
record you. Yeah.
This guy's like eyeing us. I want to get this guy over here. Buddy. Yummy. Don't you want some?
You can throw it from
Not
too, babe.
you. Get out of my way. You can't do that.
Careful, I think he's gonna eat your bag.
Alright, fine. Hello. Want some? Yeah, they're not coming up. Are we allowed to feed the other guy, like the donkeys?
I don't know. It says animal feed.
There
They
we
didn't
go.
specify.
Yeah. It is a little slimy.
Very slimy. We need to find a bathroom.
Whoa! Why?
Oh my god, he will bite. Man, Seuss Jr. says no.
Whoa! You guys are not like Seuss. You guys are not friendly like Seuss. You guys, no way you're related.
Dude, I don't think they want to be fed.
Oh shit.
It's fine.
Whoa!
I think you fed them enough. Drew, they will come after you.
Whoa,
Oh my god. Let's go.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. This was us driving up to Tillamook Creamery here in Tillamook, Oregon. Yep, it's still right behind us there. We're just in the parking lot about to leave. We just wanted to wrap up some things. I mean, this is my second time being here. What is this for you?
Fourth.
Okay, around fourth time being here. Got lots of yummy food. Got to see the tour. We got some cheese curds and cheese to take home, and had just a great time overall. It was really nice. Even just the road trip here was beautiful, and so it's been a nice day trip.
And our tummies are satisfied.
Yes, our tummies are very satisfied. I guess our Tillamook favorites I personally really fell in love with the hickory smoked cheddar when we got it here the first time. So I'd say that's my favorite, you know, along with like their other cheddars and also Swiss cheese. I've had that before too. What about you?
I really liked that that smoked pepper white cheddar. I don't think that's the
Yeah,
order
yeah,
of names,
yeah,
but
smoked black
that
pepper.
sample that we had earlier, I really like that. I'm gonna see if Market of Choice has it at home, because I thought that was really good.
They don't have brie.
They don't have brie. That's true. That's a different kind of brie, but maybe that's next.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like that. I just like cheese in general. I love their squeaky cheese curds, so I did get that. I will be enjoying that later.
And for ice cream, I personally, well, I got the chocolate chip cookie dough today, which was awesome. But I also like their chocolate peanut butter fudge, and also I really like just their French vanilla. I think it's I just like their just regular just creamy ice cream.
It's good.
It's
That's good
really
stuff.
yeah. What about you?
I had the mint chip and it was good. I don't know. I'm not that picky with ice cream. I just don't like ice cream with nuts. So.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of nuts and ice cream either. But yeah, I'm not for ice cream. But yeah, that's been the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed taking this road trip with us as we took you guys up to Tillamook Creamery. And showed you around a little bit and had shared some of our experiences with the food and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, leave a comment down below letting me know. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, and you can hit the bell to get notified when I upload next. Ding ding ding. But thank you again for watching, and as always, we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Three, 2, 1. Bye, everyone.
What?
No. That's not how we're gonna start it. Hey, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video of us coming down here to Tillamook. It's still right in back of us. We're just in the parking lot about to leave. What?
We came up here.
Oh. Okay, let's try it again then. 3.
No.